after you watch The Wire and you rush into the house to roast or fry your breadfruit, you're gonna really have to shampoo out the scent, right? You really have to admit, folks, Jamaican names for dances, incredible. We are 1 in a million. And our producer decided this morning she was going to exploit that by giving us some names of some dances that she has made up, for which we then have to make up dances.
Oh boy.
And apparently Neville is going to go first. And the name of his dance is Climb the Wall. It. I like it. So, oh, you lose the rhythm down there. Wait, never mind. One again.
Let me now go with the rhythm a while ago.
One.
I did do the rhythm. Come again. Yeah. Yeah. I pull a muscle so I can't climb it again. You just pull a muscle. I just pull a muscle.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
That's not bad. All right.
That's not bad.
Your time. Let me.
Okay.
I'll tell you. I'll just tell you.
My dance is called. No, me not do it. Me not play. Me not play. Me don't come here all the time for turn pop show.
Tie the goat. Tie the goat. Your dance name. Tie the goat. Come.
Tie the goat. Go down on your fours. I need a rope.
What?
I don't have a rope. All right. Which part of the goat am I telling?
Don't play me now. I'm not sure still. Hey! Hey!
Come the goat! Come! This way! This way, goat! Ho! Ho! Come, goaty! Come, goaty! Come, goaty! Got it, huh? Hey!
No, but I hear dance. So me on the floor and I hear dance.
Should I hear the goat?
Oh,
all right.
so by me is the goat.
All right. If we see any of these moves on the street, by the way, intellectual copyright.
Breeze a blow. All right, come.
Oh, I like that. Ready? Go.
Oh, you change the rhythm.
Breeze a blow. No, breeze is blowing you.
That me, a blow me?
Yes. Let's go now.
Okay.
No.
Breeze blow me.
That is
Me
a
like that one there. It blow me right out the studio.
No, that is a slight wind. Come back here. Not for real. Okay, come.
It blow me out the studio.
Proper
Breeze and blow?
Yes, give it your all. Commit. Commit to the dance. Think of Hurricane Irma and what she would do if she came through the studio.
Breeze and blow me. So me have to go hold on to something. Breeze and blow.
He's so shy.
Man, pull on
He's
the
shy,
whole
you know.
I pull on the whole of
Now, man, when breeze are blowing, you have to flail.
Oh.
Yeah. All right.
It's enough. We're done.
One more. Rake it up.
No, we're done.
We done? I'm so glad.
Which one? Rake it up. And I'm not in your dance. Because you're not in. I can't do it.
Rake it up. I used to do that when I was a kid. So I used to rake, right? Put all the leaves together. And then when you have everything in a little, you just rake it up and rake it up. Then rake it up.
Yeah, Simone win.
Rake it, rake it, rake it, rake it. When you have it in a corner, you take up everything and then you just with the leaves. Finish. Whew. You see, that's not fair what you're doing. You cannot creep to some things and choose the one you want.
All right, this one the belly bounce.
You need somebody to like Wally to help you with that. Jesus, Father. I think Oma Wally should do this one with you. Come here, Wally. Come here, Wally. So, you and Wally, see? You need Wally. Somebody with a real belly. Right?
Ready now?
So,
hey.
Oh,
hey.
Okay, Wally.
Hey.
Now we're talking.
Hey.
Good job. Good job. You find your ball, eh?
That look like Davas, Mavas.
Benny Bones, come.
I just bring in Davas.
Set the ball.
Mavas.
Set the ball.
Which one you doing?
Set the ball. Set the ball. Set the ball.
Look like how you write them two there, you know.
Remember, cock up is a 10.
Cock up?
One nice one. Chop the.
You can't say them things up on TV.
Cock up is a 10. That's a moving dandy shandy. If you cock up and the ball goes through your legs, you get an automatic 10 points.
Well, no, I'm not a name for it.
Cock up is a 10.
But I like the name still.
Chop the cane. Chop the cane. I don't know what kind of cane you chop. You need.
Then I peel it before me chop it.
Oh, not peel.
Oh,
Harrow's got it. Harrow's got it. Harrow's got it. Let's go, Harrow. Show us again, the Harrow. Harrow, why you must be like that? No, never.
Then where may I chop then? Let me know where
You have
we
to
chop.
chop.
No, that me just know. No, so me I do.
Chop. Chop.
I look like I have a chop cane in my
Never is
life.
flying the cane.
No, hold on, I look like somebody who chop cane regular.
Never is doing the fan the fly.
Of course, because I am a uptown chopper.
Fan the fly. Fan the fly. Fan the fly. Fan the fly.
Oh, that to come up. 73 million? That we should have do.
Woo. All right. I think I've rolled out next. Yeah, we're going to break.
Chop. Chop.
We're going to chop the show. Soon come back.
Chop.
Chop the cane.
Chop.
Chop the cane.
Chop. No, we didn't have the
You have to
chop.
put your back into it.